Wow, that's so really big fish. So they go. Okay, guys, we got the fish, guys. Wow! Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Like getting a suntan. Okay guys, we're fishing here at a saltwater pond somewhere, I'll say in Penang in the mainland. Basically they charge 60 ringgits to get into the pond. We were just talking to my fishing buddy next to me, and he says you can fish until you catch a fish, and you can take the fish with you, and if it's a big fish they'll buy it from you for like 50 ringgits. So where at the other ponds you pay 20 ringgits to get in, and you got to pay per weight, which is this better deal. And this is saltwater, which is kind of cool because they have grouper, they have all the saltwater fish, is really kind of cool. So, you know, if you go fish on a boat, you're going to pay 100, 200 rings to go on a boat. At least here, you can sit over here, fish, catch water fish, and see here they've rolled this off where it's kind of, where they put the fish in and they can't get away. It's like a huge pond. Now, I don't know what's on the other side of that, but I can imagine there's probably fish over there too. They kind of got loose. So, but interesting. We'll let you know how it goes. See if we're eating grouper tonight. The economic not very good. The economy not very good.
Economy in Indonesia are very good now. No. Especially in the investment.
Yeah, I know.
Alright. Look at that, guys. Wow, that's so really big fish. So they're gonna release that fish, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. Lucky if you got that.
He won't bite.
They're trying to catch that.
I know, he won't bite, so he's in shock. He won't bite. Not for a little while.
So everybody busy to catch that big grouper. Look at that. They released the fish. Okay guys, we are almost 3 hours here. We still not catch any fish, but team is still trying, and finger crossed I hope we catch fish until we go home because it's like super hot over here. You know, Malaysia is really hot. Yeah, hopefully we got fish. Fish is swimming. Poor guys. Hey guys, so day 2 for our fishing, but this time we are not only with Tim, we also with his friend, and they are there with Ray and Raquel is there. So we just start fishing and it's still hot, it's still sunny, so I hope we got fish today. Wow, that's a big fish.
Keraku.
It's a grouper. Oh guys, look what they got.
Tak kecek Malaysia kat kita tak payah nak sana.
Huh?
Oh, dia.
Well guys, they catch the fish. We hope we got to. Hopefully, we're not zero today. Finger crossed.
Size. Come here.
Side from.
Ray.
Oh, he got fish.
There you go.
So it's too dark, guys. It's might be raining. Look at that. Oh, you hear that, guys? The sound. So might be rain. Still a lot of people fishing in here. Quite dark. So the rain is coming soon, guys. Look at that. It's too dark and too windy. I don't know if you can hear me, guys. So everyone is still fishing in here and deep. Look at how dark it's not now. And we keep fishing. Alright, he's sitting in there. Right, it's big. You got fish, man. It's a big one.
Wah, this one kerapu. Oh.
Okay, guys, we got the fish, guys. Wow! Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, we got the fish.
That's cool. It's
Cool,
starting to
you
rain.
got you. Babe, you touch you. All right. You bleeding still?
Yeah.
It's a big one.
Yeah, guys.
You guys, so
Little bite on me. Yeah.
yeah.
He's got some serious teeth, man. Some serious teeth. Hey, stay there.
So that's the fish I'll catch. This guy.
Ow. It even hurts in his mouth. Oh, look. Yeah. There he is.
Okay. Where's the hand?
Where you want to put him? There we go. Fucking bone in this thing's hectic, huh? Okay. There you go. So what you're gonna do is just reach in here and get his shit out of him.
It's big inside.
Yeah, you just gotta get all the guts out. That's all. Just gizzard and shit. That'll make him go bad if you don't get it all out of there.
I thought I'm going to slice it small. No need.
Huh.
Going to barbecue like that.
We'll figure it out. Depends on what we do with it. Just need to get all the guts out of it and stuff so it don't go bad. That's it. Not much in there, man. What the hell?
Doesn't have any food inside.
No. I'm surprised.
It's cleaning, huh?
Yeah, he's starving to death, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Poor guy. Fucking hungry. He don't have nothing in his stomach. Nothing.
You need to cut this one.
Knife's not really sharp for this. Rinse him out.
Okay. Okay guys, I clean everything the fish with them, so it's we put already in freezer, so we ready to cook. Maybe tomorrow we're doing some grill fish or barbecue, everything with some friend coming tomorrow. So that's what's really enjoying today. That's we don't catch any fish in the first day, so we back the second day for today, and we'll catch the big grouper. Really enjoy, so much fun, really crazy. The grouper so big. It was a 3 kilo and 3.5 kilo. The fish is massive, really so crazy. So guys, that was really fun, so much fun today. So I think that it's for today, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe down below, and see you in the next video. Bye.